Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car batteries that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the budget-friendly car battery terminal connectors from Magnolia. Priced at just $7.99. This product is perfect for those looking for a quick and affordable solution to upgrade or maintain their battery connections. These connectors are made of high-quality brass and steel, providing excellent corrosion resistance and electrical conductivity to reduce voltage distortion and transmission loss. With 4 ports for easy cable connections, installation and wiring are incredibly straightforward, even for beginners. The design is practical, with clearly labeled positive and negative terminals for hassle-free polarity recognition. What sets this product apart is the included accessories: insulation sleeves, terminal cleaning brushes, anti-corrosion washers, and a hex wrench, making it a complete package for quick installation and maintenance. While it's not a battery itself, it's a critical component for ensuring your current battery operates efficiently. However, it's worth noting that this product is best suited for light-duty applications, such as cars, vans, and light trucks, and may not cater to heavy-duty or high-energy systems. If you're on a tight budget and need reliable battery terminal connectors, this product provides excellent value. Just keep in mind that it's more of a supporting accessory than a full battery solution. Coming in at number 4 is the YG-SAM H6 sodium-ion car battery. Priced at $242.99, this mid-range option brings innovative technology into the mix, featuring sodium-ion chemistry for efficient energy storage. With a 12-volt capacity and 10,000 mAh output, this battery is designed to provide reliable performance for standard vehicle applications. The gold-plated terminals enhance conductivity while reducing resistance, ensuring consistent power delivery. The design is compact and lightweight at just 14.33 pounds, making installation easy and versatile across various vehicle types. It can handle up to 1,500 cycles while retaining 70% of its initial capacity, which is impressive for a battery in this price range. It also performs well in low-temperature environments, maintaining 80% discharge capacity even under extreme cold conditions. The robust build and universal fit make it suitable for various applications, including sedans and small trucks. That said, this battery's main drawback is its lower capacity when compared to higher-end models, which may limit its use for heavy-duty applications or vehicles with high energy demands like advanced audio systems. If you're looking for a solid, reasonably priced option with cutting-edge sodium-ion technology, the YG-SAM H6 is a fantastic choice for everyday drivers. At number 3, we have the MightyMax MMG24F AGM car battery. This robust battery is built for consistent starting power with its 710 cca cold cranking amps and a reserve capacity of 120 minutes, making it an excellent choice for vehicles that face varying weather conditions. Its AGM absorbed glass mat design ensures a spill-proof and maintenance-free experience, providing reliability and ease of use for car owners who value convenience. The rugged construction is designed to withstand shock, vibration, and harsh environmental conditions, ensuring durability over its lifespan. It is versatile, with multiple mounting positions, making installation straightforward. However, it's important to note that mounting accessories and wire harnesses are not included, so you'll need to source these separately. While the price isn't readily available, customer reviews rate this battery highly for its reliable performance and value, especially for those requiring a dependable power source for their vehicles. Its versatility makes it suitable for sedans, SUVs, and light trucks, but it might not be ideal for high-demand setups like winches or audio systems. Overall, the MightyMax MMG24F offers excellent balance between performance and affordability. In the runner-up position at number 2 is the Power D3400 AGM battery. This powerhouse is specifically engineered for vehicles requiring high energy output, such as those with advanced audio systems or winches. With an impressive 1150 cranking amps and 80 amp-hour capacity, this 12-volt battery delivers reliable starting power even in extreme weather conditions. It's a maintenance-free, sealed AGM battery, meaning no leaks and minimal upkeep. The compact design, 10.24 inches by 7.16 by 6.89 inches, and lightweight build at 49.97 pounds make installation straightforward, while the M6 terminal hardware ensures secure connections. It's perfect for custom setups and high-demand applications, which is why it's popular among enthusiasts of aftermarket accessories. The battery also offers a 3-year warranty, providing peace of mind for long-term use. The downside is its price, which may not be available up front, but is likely higher than average. Additionally, the weight may pose challenges during installation for some users. If your vehicle demands substantial power for audio systems, lighting setups, or heavy-duty operations, the Power D3400 is an excellent investment that delivers consistent performance and reliability. Finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Magnolia Sodium 30Ah battery by Limitless Lithium. Priced at $699, this premium option is designed specifically for car audio enthusiasts and vehicles with high energy demands. Capable of supporting up to 8,000 watts, this battery operates efficiently within a voltage range of 10V to 16V, making it the go-to choice for powering advanced audio systems. With a compact design at 6.88 inches by 5 inches by 6.5 inches and a lightweight build of 13 pounds, the Magnolia Sodium is easy to install and perfect for custom setups. Its sodium-ion technology ensures optimal energy storage and discharge, providing steady performance even under demanding conditions. Designed for durability and reliability, this battery is built in the USA and features high-quality craftsmanship designed to last. The steep price may deter casual users, and its niche application means it's not the best fit for general-purpose vehicles. However, if you're seeking a top-tier battery for high-performance audio systems or other high-power applications, the Magnolia Sodium 30Ah battery is unmatched in its category. With stellar customer reviews and cutting-edge technology, this battery earns its place as the best car battery on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.